Today I'm going to show you guys how to use a safety belt and how it works. Conveniently, we're in the car. I have my little brother Zachary with us. We're going to be using him as a dummy. See? A dummy. First, you pull the safety belt out. Wrap it around the waist. And put your left arm under it. Unless you're in the, other seat and you have to use the other arm. Then you buckle it in like so. Make sure it's tight. And once you know it's tight, you're ready to move on. To make sure the seat belt is functioning, give it a few light tugs. This seatbelt seems to be working. If we were driving and we were to crash into this wall, my little brother Zachary, also known as Chewie or Chewbacca, would be flying toward the window, but would be jerked by the safety belt and yanked back.
Do that again. Jerk.
Flying forward, jerked back. One more time. Flying forward, jerked back. Life-saving. Simple, but life-saving.